In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send bulk emails to students in your LifterLMS courses directly out of WordPress. Now, LifterLMS doesn't have this feature out of the box where you can just go to a course at any time and say, I want to send an email to everybody in this course. LifterLMS does have this engagement system where you can set up automated emails to go out. So when somebody enrolls in a course, you can go ahead and send them an email, or when they complete a course, you can send them an email, but not a bulk send everyone in this course an email feature at the moment. And the solution for that is to use a CRM tool like MailChimp or ConvertKit or something like that to tag people when they enroll in your courses, and then you can send them bulk emails out of that tool. And in this video, I'm going to be doing something similar, but it's actually going to be entirely out of WordPress. And this is my favorite way to send those bulk emails, and that is using the Groundhogg CRM tool. Now, don't get stressed out about CRM and thinking that we're incorporating a lot of elements. We can really keep it simple with where we're using Groundhogg here. It's a free CRM for WordPress, and we are using the LifterLMS integration. That is a paid integration from Groundhogg. That's what's going to allow us to tag people when they join a course so that we can create a list of them so that at any time I could send them an email. So the key plugins for this tutorial will be LifterLMS, the free core plugin, Groundhogg, the free core plugin, and then the paid Groundhogg LifterLMS integration. So I already have my courses set up with LifterLMS, and with Groundhogg, what I'm going to want to do is go ahead and create a tag for each of my courses. I'm just going to do one in this example, and I will say, let's do my quizzes course here. So we'll go to Groundhogg tags. I'm going to make a quiz system masterclass tag. So we'll call this enrolled in quiz system masterclass. Go ahead and add that as a new tag. And so now I have that as a tag over here in my list. And Groundhogg gave me all these lists or tags by default here, but let me go ahead and there's my enrolled in quiz system masterclass tag has now been created. Now what I want to do is set up a funnel. So if I go to funnels here, and this is a pretty simple process, and I know we're throwing around a lot of terms like tags and funnels, but we can really keep it simple. I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch, start building. They do have some templates for some other things, but we want a very simple funnel. So with the, let me actually cut this out here. We don't need any of these steps that are automatically in here. So this is what the Groundhogg funnel builder looks like, and you can do all sorts of advanced things with this tool. But what I'm going to be doing is just adding a step and go to actions here. Whenever, or rather, benchmarks here is we're going to say LifterLMS action. This is going to come from the LifterLMS Groundhogg integration. If I say LifterLMS action, go ahead and click on that. Course enrolled. Whenever somebody enrolls in a course, what course? The quiz system masterclass. When that happens, I want to do an action. I want to apply a tag. And there we go, apply a tag. And then I'll look up my quiz system masterclass tag. There we go. Click on that. And then I'm going to go ahead and activate in the top and save. So now whenever somebody enrolls in the quiz system masterclass on my website, they're going to get this tag, enrolled in quiz system masterclass. And then if I X out of the builder here, I can go to broadcasts. I can go ahead and send a broadcast, and this is what I'll do once there are people in my course. I would say select an email to send, and of course I'll have to create an email that says whatever you want it to say, whatever you want to send the people who are in your course, whatever broadcast you want to send out, you'll make an email for that. And then I want to select contacts by tag, enrolled in quiz system masterclass, and then go ahead and send now. So once you fill out all those requirements, now you can send out broadcasts to people in your courses. And it's pretty simple. All it requires is the LifterLMS plugin, the Groundhogg plugin, and the LifterLMS Groundhogg integration. And you can now send broadcasts out of WordPress using Groundhogg, and it makes it super simple, just like you see here. Now let me actually go test this out to make sure that my funnel is working. So let me go enroll in the Quiz System Masterclass course as a test user, and we'll see if I end up in the system with the tag. So there we go. I'm just going to enroll a test user real quick. Of course, this site doesn't have a whole lot of formatting. So confirm my email. Go ahead and make a password real quick here. Just fill out this with some test information here. confirmation here. All right, awesome. So I've just created a user and enrolled in the course on my site. Let's see on the back end of my website if everything's being updated properly. So I have my enrolled in quiz system masterclass tag, and we can see there's one person with that tag. So let me go ahead and click in here. Oh, of course, I'm in the wrong place here, contacts. Let me, I just installed Groundhogg on this site, so there's pretty much just the basic stuff popping up letting me know what to do. But you can see Will at willmiddleton.net has just enrolled in a course, and if I view that contact, I can see that I do have that tag, and that can be found under segmentation on my unique contact here, and then enrolled in quiz system masterclass. Awesome. So the tag has been applied, the contact has been created, so now whenever I'm ready to send out a broadcast to everyone in my quiz system course, I can go ahead and set up an email broadcast to go out to anyone with this tag, and currently that's one person, but that's how you can set up easily broadcasts for your LifterLMS website. Now, if you are trying to set up a broadcast and maybe you've already been enrolling students in your course, so you maybe have a couple hundred users or something like that in your course already, and you haven't been tagging them this whole time, what you can do is if you go to the LifterLMS reporting screen, this is probably the easiest way to do it, or at least the easiest way I've found. If you go into your course and then go to the students list for that course in the Lifter reporting, you can export the data as a CSV file from your, and that's a spreadsheet file from your reporting, and then you could remove these columns about status, enrollment. You just want the email column and a name or whatever you want there, and then you could just import that list over to your Groundhogg and then go ahead and tag them. All right, so that about wraps it up for this video. This has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.